Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel How2. Today I'm here with an all new playlist in which I'm gonna teach you how to solve Rubik's Cube with the easiest method. To complete the course properly, click on the eye icon given on the top right corner to see the full playlist and all the videos of this playlist for better result. So that's been said, let's start the video. Now we're going to solve the 4 edge pieces in the middle layer. At this stage, you'll need to solve the rest of the middle layers so that the outer blocks has the same color as the center. In the first case, the layer you'll be working on will be on the left on the top of the target position. It should be here and you need to place it here because there are two colors, green and orange. So it must be here because there are two centers, green and orange. You must match that color with the center. Now perform the algorithm U prime R prime, U prime F prime, U F, and see, it's already matched. Now let's find another edge piece. Here it is. Let's match it with the center. Now perform another new algorithm. Now you need to place it on your left side. Now let's perform the algorithm U prime L prime, U L, U F, U prime F prime, and see, it's matched. Now let's find another piece. Here it is. Let's match the blue edge with blue center. Here's the blue center, match it with it. Now it will go to our left side because there are two colors, blue and orange, and here are two centers, blue and orange. It must go here. So now let's perform the algorithm U prime L prime, U L, U F, U prime F prime. See, it's also matched. Now let's find another edge piece. Here that piece, it has blue center. Let's match it with the blue center. Now it will go to our right side. So now let's perform the previous algorithm U prime R prime, U prime F prime, U F, and that's it. The second layer is also matched.